Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the temperature selector switch in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead blade screwdrivers and a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to need a new temperature selector switch. The temperature selector switch allows you to choose the correct temperature for the particular load of laundry. If you are experiencing the dryer running too hot or too cold, not in accordance with the settings, the temperature selector switch should be replaced. First, we need to remove the temperature selector switch knob. Grab it firmly and pull it straight out. Then, using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws, one in each corner, from the back of the console. Push the console out to disengage it from the cabinet and turn it over. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, take out the screws that hold the rear cover panel and remove the panel. Using the flathead screwdriver, lift the locking tab on the side of the switch and turn it either way for approximately 45 degrees to free it from the panel. Press in the side locking tabs and remove the wire plug. This is the old temperature selector switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Connect the wire plug onto the new switch. Insert the new switch into the cutout and turn it 45 degrees to lock. Install the rear cover and secure it with the 1/4-inch screws. Match the cutouts and the bottom tabs and lock the console to the cabinet. Tighten side screws to secure the console. Match the shape at the shaft and cut out in the knob and install the knob. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.